Good afternoon, everybody. Hello and welcome. My name is Zachary Hanna with Dorado Defense. Today, we're going to delve further into vulnerability management. What is it and what does it do? So vulnerability management, it's about monitoring your risk and your exposure and monitoring the vulnerabilities and the active exploits that are available on your networks for malicious actors to then take advantage of. So vulnerability management, what is it at its core? It's about the monitoring and the management of risk to your business and the systems that generate your revenue. So you have your critical infrastructure, you have your critical systems that are customer facing, that are critical to your personal data and your business. How exactly are they exposed? Are they exposed online? Are they unpatched? This is what vulnerability management is about monitoring that and then communicating that to your business leaders, to your executive management, to your leadership within your information technology organization, so that they can be aware of, hey, the system that generates 90% of our revenue is vulnerable to this XYZ attack. An impact of this could result in an outage for several hours, for a day. It depends upon your organization, that exposure, but at the end of the day, vulnerability management is about monitoring to allow the business to make the decisions that they need to make and having the information they need to make those decisions. So at a very high level, this is what vulnerability management is and what it can do for you as an organization. If you have any questions about vulnerability management, especially within your own organization, please feel free to reach out either through a direct message, leave a comment, or reach out via my website at doradodefense.com. Have a great day. Stay safe.